Okay, good day to you. Can you please introduce yourself?
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Giselle Joyce Gamil Bisaya, 36 years old, married, have two child, 15 years old girl and 5 years old boy.
Okay, yes. So do you have any work experience in abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Which country?
6 years in Kuwait, all
Mhm.
around.
Okay, yes. So how many members in that family?
4 members,
How many children they have?
two children,
Okay, how old?
8 years old and 4 months.
So yes. So how many helpers they have in that family?
Me alone.
So you just only you to look after the kids and at the same time you do all around housemaid also?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so do you have any other country experience?
Yes, ma'am. In 2 years in UAE, cooking.
Okay, how many members in that family?
4.
4 members.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how many helper do you have?
2.
2 helper. Okay, so what is your main duties?
Only cooking. Sometimes if I'm not cooking, I do ironing to help the mother working.
Okay, yes. Okay, so your main duties is to cook and
Yes,
at the same
ma'am.
time you do housemaid also, all
Yes,
around.
ma'am.
Okay. So do you have any other country experience?
Yes, ma'am. In Saudi Riyadh, 2 years.
2 years. Okay, so how many members in that family?
4 members.
Okay, how many children they have?
We have 2 children,
How old?
5 and 8.
Okay, so you look after the kids also.
Yes,
How many helper?
2.
2 helper.
Yes.
So your assigned duties is to look after the kids.
Cooking.
Cooking.
Yes, cooking.
Okay. Yes, so then, of course, are you capable to taking care of a newborn baby,
Yes.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me how the way you taking care of a newborn?
The newborn, I change the diaper.
Mm-hmm.
And then if she's crying, I will check if she's if she's sick or hungry.
Mm-hmm.
Then sometimes I will go to play with her, and then I sleep with her.
Oh, so yes, so the 4 months old they've been experiencing Kuwait, right?
Yes.
So you be the one to sleep with the
Yes, ma'am.
newborn.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yes. So okay, if there example, if the baby is crying and crying, so what will you do?
I will check. Maybe she's sick, and I will tell Madam the baby was crying. Maybe have the fever.
Okay, yes, to inform immediately to the boss that the baby is not feeling well, and of course you have to wait the instruction or you give a first aid. Can you sing a song on nursery rhymes?
Yes, ma'am.
Go on.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, thank you very much about that. Okay, so then why you want to go to work in Hong Kong?
Because there is too much nice and the salary is high.
Yes, Hong Kong is very nice country and of course they offer high salary also.
ma'am.
Okay, yes. So then if you luckily hard in Hong Kong, do you have any message to your future employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay?
If she will choose me, I will do my best.
Okay, and to promise that you finish your 2 years contract or more.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and of course in Hong Kong they have holidays every week. So that if your employer requests not Saturday, Sunday holidays, are you willing to do?
I'm willing, ma'am.
Okay, are you willing that no holidays?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course, they give you a money back for overtime
Yes,
pay.
ma'am.
Okay, yes, you can earn more.
Yes, ma'am.
To promise that you cannot ask salary advance from your employer.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise you cannot involve in ibang finance in Hong Kong.
Yes, ma'am.
And to promise that you cannot play your mobile phone while you working hours.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before we end this interview, can you show us your best smile? Thank you.